Alright. Guess my mouse didn't want to work for a second there. This is my shrine, all textured and everything. Honestly, the hardest part was these walls. I don't even know if they're all same size or not, but oh well. This shrine here was actually pretty simple. Once I figured out how to get what I wanted to get done, it was actually very easy. Might work with this so they're the same size as this eventually, but I'll worry about that another time. But actually, there was part of this shrine I never ended up using, and that was right here, believe it or not. If it'll open. This. I never ended up using this texture. I only use these three. I don't know. It just when it came out on top of the when it came out on top here, if it'll let me do it, it didn't look very good, so I changed it all to metal. So yeah. Little behind the scenes. There was a texture that was never used. And you never would have known if I didn't say anything. So there. There's some food for thought. If you even wanted food for thought.